Wow. I think I just heard some thunder. I didn't think we were supposed to get thunderstorms today. But that'll just make it all the more exciting. I think Squirrely Squirrel is up in his nest. I think he's like, I've had about enough of this stupid wind. I don't want to get blown into the next county. Poor thing. I mean, look at that wind. Maybe we'll get enough wind it'll blow all the leaves out of our yard. Wouldn't that be swell? That would be so great. Yep. Yeah, today's Sunday. Is it raining? I think it is. Yes, it is. It's raining. Wow. We're getting a downpour. Oh, wow. It's really coming down. We're getting a downpour. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, look over there. You know, see how heavy the rain is over there. Wow. Hopefully there won't be any trees coming down on power lines because, wow, look at that. Because we won't be needing any power outages, that's for sure. Yeah, today's the 15th, November 15th. Wow. Yeah, I think Squirrel's going to stay up in his nest. I don't think he wants to go out in this weather. Poor thing. Jeez, look at that. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Wow. It's like a land hurricane. Wow, look at that. Sheesh. Good Lord, what in the world? Yep, Squirrely Squirrel is definitely up in his nest. He's like, I'm riding the storm out up here where it's safe. Sheesh, look at that. Whoa. Man, look at that. Sheesh.